So karang hapon na mga besh na lami kay ikaw ng macaroni, like nag-crave ko og macaroni pero not that sweet. No? Anything macaroni, like macaroni. Huwin sa mga macaroni, macarena magud to. Oh, macarena dayto, macarena. Ano para na lang dyan masay no kay unprepared yung taning voice over. Kay impronto magud kuno hay ni siyang voice over no. So whatever comes in our mind, so mo na siya to itabi diri. So for today's video day mga besh no, maghimo ta og Hawaiian Macaroni salad. O diba? Laisyo! Don't judge me. First time sa ako magbuhat ani. So as you see, naghiwa na ko no. I'm chopping, slicing, and cubing. Actually, this is leftover spam o diba laisyo. So instead of using ham, since wala ko yung ham, di siya available sa kitchen, so I'm using leftover spam. Yeah, ako na siyang sliced into cubes. And of course, we have sliced cubed cheese. So excited na kay kumahuman ni siya no og makafang aning Hawaiian macaroni salad ko no. Ay, char. So ato na siyang i-mix tanan. So first things first, of course ating cooked macaroni. Sorry kay akong macaroni na overcooked siya, but I like the way it is and I love it. And let's add on our sliced ham and followed by the sliced cheese and the sliced pineapple. And of course, let's add on the raisins or the pasas. Asa kaputos ra na siya. And mix lang until well incorporated or well blended or well mixed. And let's add in our mayonnaise. Any brand will do ha. Any brand nga mas prepare niyo. And okay rin na siya. So just mixed all together, and maybe if you want something a little sweeter na macaroni salad or a little saltier, you can add of course condensed milk or a little bit sugar, or you can add salt. Bahala na. Kamo na bahala sa timpla kung asa inyong mas lami nga lasa. Ay, char. So personally, my today's cravings is a little sweet. So I'm adding up a little condensed, and finally mix lang until well mixed, and taste it and enjoy your Hawaiian macaroni salad. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.